Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to insert row above based on cell value with Kutools for Excel. If you are not familiar with VBA code, you can try the Kutools for Excel, select the specific cells utility, and then insert the rows above. Select the list you want to find out the specific cells from. Then click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the select drop-down list and click on select the specific cells. In the popping out dialog, check the entire row option, then go to select equals from the specific type list, and then enter the value you want to find in the right text box. I will enter 0 and then click the OK button, and a dialog pops out to remind you of the number of selected rows. Just click the OK button to close it, and then as you can see, all the uh, rows with the 0 value are selected. Just place the cursor at one selected row and right click to select insert from the context menu, and now the rows are inserted above based on a specific value, as you can see. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.